Rapido Blast, you know. Nicko Blast, you know. They may tell you no OneKnockTV. They may tell you no too. You see me, you know, over there, I shot an interview. You see me, the furnace level mixtape forwarding real soon. You see me, somewhere video, somewhere slash Rojana video actually. Out right now, you see me, YouTube everywhere. Get to me and say, follow the Instagram, Nicko Blast, King Rapido. Follow the Facebook, Nicko Blast, you see me, follow the YouTube channel, Nicko Blast, same way, you see me, dog. Follow the Twitter, Nicko Blast. Everywhere does Nicko Blast. Get with it, get to the movement, follow it, you see me. Furnace level mixtape I forward about in a week from now. You see me, so whenever that interview I drop, the mixtape I forward a week after, so look out for that. Also, get to me and say, and this now, I just let the people them know, say, Nicko Blast is no longer a member of 4th generation or JOP. You understand what I say? Nicko Blast is now a solo act, you see me? Individual act. I get my product and my brand out there individually to the people them, you see me? Not as a group or as a team, but really as a solo act. Get what I say? Yeah. Big up 4th generation too. Big up Aidonia said because Aidonia general, they don't know anything about it, but I really an individual move as me I tell you. So from about June 2016, Nicko Blast has not been around or affiliated with 4th generation. You get what I say? Right now, Nicko Blast do most of my work with California Records. You see me? California Records all the way, right through California Records. You see me? Big up Promish Entertainment too, because you don't know the thing. Yeah. But furnace level mixtape, California. California is the best thing right now too. Another question thing, you see me? They really care when nobody else think about that. And Nicko Blast are the baddest artist right now too. I don't really care who interject or what they want to say about that. You see me? So I just lone movement, lone work, and the rampings. I don't know furnace level mixtape as I tell you. Furnace level mixtape I show them say. And I'm laughing and I play time. You get to me and say, Rapido Blast, you know. Everybody wanna be somebody, wanna go somewhere. Man, I tell you about we personality, we don't show no fear. From jungle to valley, success road to clear. Get a youth no fipper with eyeglass, them not go nowhere. Man, I aim for the sky, cause we really grow rough. All them a try, them no really know us. None of them can stop the net, ever focus. Bad mind them a leech or them a locust. From Kingston, Mobile to Porus. One knock one see the tour bus. We know bad mind who see the door fuss. That's a one thing me sure of. Rapid them, you see me? Nicko Blast as me tell you. Rapid up.
Nicko Blast, welcome.
Yeah.
Now, in your little talk a while ago, you said you're no longer part of JOP. What led you to saying, yeah, a time for me deal with my thing and just try to build myself as an artist? Right
now, me is a man who believe in a growth. You get what me I say? Growth and elevation at all times. You see me? At no one moment in time, a person for free to stay on one level in and nothing with them I do. So this is just to get my thing to the next level. You understand what me I say? I feel like say JOP bring me to a level where I'm grateful for them do for me, I'm grateful where them bring me right now, but I want to take it to a next level, a further level. You understand what I say? So I feel like if I get it to that level, then I have to do it individually. You see me? Because who best to do it than yourself? Nobody not do it for you, dog. You see me? So I just me decide to just take it to a more solo mode right now to get my brand out as me I tell you from before. You see me? Yeah.
When you made that decision, how did Aidonia come to that?
How him come to that? I remember saying me make the decision still in so. All if him never agree, I'm not saying him disagree or nothing, but all if him never agree, it would happen the same way. You understand what I say? Because I just need to make that move to get my thing forward. So he never really dispute me. I don't have good money. You must understand say, as a man, you have to just take it to the street my way. You understand?
Knowing that fans don't really know much about that split, how have they addressed you since then?
Well, that's really the purpose of this interview still. Because people still don't really know say me is really no longer a Genna. So even though they fancy me and say Genna, me answer same way because really and truly a generation bring me to the people and my generation bring me to the world. So still I get acknowledged as a Genna, but right now me make the people know say me is more a solo act. You see me? Yeah, so this interview will make everybody know who don't know say me is no longer affiliated with 4th generation and JOP. Me is now Nicko Blast, El Rapido. You get me I say? Alone. Yeah. Straight out.
Knowing that the general Aidonia has accepted your decision,
yeah.
How are people within the camp?
Well, I don't really know still in a car. To be real with you, from I make the shift, I don't really focus on that side of the world. That's even I try focus on the individual actors. I've been working on my mixtape, I've been shooting videos, I try promote the thing them. So really that's on my mind there. So really and truly my mind I really wonder what anybody has say. You get what I say? I just focus on the movement, focus on the work, put in the work and put it out for the fans them see it and accept it. You get what I say? That's on my mind right now. So I don't really know what anybody I think about the whole move and thing. I don't really know.
You're recording new music, working on a mixtape with California Record. How is that going?
Yo, alright. For telling you this too. From we make the move still, cause really and truly, when we make the move, it just take some time to really build myself mentally, you see me? And structure my mind to get to the road the real way. So I take a little time and build back in myself and put some thoughts and meditate on some things. And in the midst of all of that, boom, my brethren now finally link me out of the blue, dog. You see me? I say, yo, where are you? You see me? I say, yo, I'm there, dog, Ray. And I say, yo, dog, follow in the studio, no? Man say, matter of fact, I come pick you. Shot come link me. And from the dog, shot come link me, dog, come like it's a power the man bring come put in on me hand, dog. Give me a tell you. It's a whole different level now we start move with, you see me? A whole different style. And everything now just put together right. Because I know California, 10 years. I don't have to tell them exactly how long, but a long time, you see me? In California for young, so the chemistry just dead. You see me, California build rhythm, me build song. What more we need? Nothing else. Take where I take on the world right now, man. You get what me I say? So from California link me up, a crazy work. Better work too. You see me, more quality work. You understand what me I say? Cause you don't know California is a man way. I'm a perfectionist like myself, so when we do the work, you make sure it come out perfect, and that really want out of the thing. So, and the best thing we do, man, you see me, link up with Farley and do some real work, some real music. Check them out as me I tell you, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Google, everywhere, whole fucking place, and wrap it up.
The mixtape, how many songs are you planning to drop on that?
15 songs, you know, you see me, 15 songs to the mixtape. You get me I say? Nice mixture, everything. You don't know, we are for the ladies, we sell the girl them, so I mainly girls song, we have some gangster thing too. And some more meds, because meds are really song where you can sit down and think about things too, you see me? Meditating yourself too. So a nice mixtape, man, a compilation of everything, because we know one-sided, you know, ain't no one-sided no time. You get what I tell you? No one-sidedness no, in the music and in the craft. And no one sound or one voice too, you see me? Yeah. No one voice, I'll wrap it up.
Now that the mixtape is basically in the works,
yeah.
So you drop a video on YouTube recently, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now after the mixtape,
yeah.
What exactly can fans expect from you? Because as you have said, when you were with 4th Gen,
yeah.
things weren't where you want them to be.
No, I never tell you so when I was with 4th Gen, things weren't where I wanted to be.
In the sense that...
Well, I know, before you go any further, I have to make you know, so before 4th generation, nobody never know me, so. I can't tell you so before 4th Gen, things weren't where I wanted to be. 4th Gen bring me to a level, you see me? But after reaching that level now, me and myself decide that I need to take it to a next level.
Yeah.
I'm not going to wait for somebody to do it for me, I'm going to do it myself. That me I tell you so. I can't tell you say it never did work how I want it to work. We just accomplish that state there and decide that right now we need to transform in another state. You see me? And just that are the whole running smart. Straight.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Now that you're trying to elevate to a new level, right?
Yeah, that's better.
How will fans react to this new level? Do you
Me can't tell you how fans are going to react.
or how do you want fans to react?
Or me want, you can't ask me that either. Cause obviously as an artist, I want the fans them love the movement. You get what I say? Really and truly we know some people out there where don't like the movement anyway. Some people are going to decide not to be with the movement. But that's what big them up same way, man. Who support the music said we have to do the good music for the same way. Put out the good music for the same way. You get what I say? Big up everybody straight. Who with it and who not with it. Straight up. You see me?
Knowing that fans will always say things that aren't exactly true.
Yeah.
Knowing that you have come on this interview basically said good things about Aidonia and so forth.
Yeah.
They will be of the impression that you're just putting on an act.
Yeah.
And probably 4th Gen fans will try to sidestep you or not listen to your music. How do you think that will work out?
As I tell you still, if whoever decide to sidestep, big them up same way. Get what I tell you, but we know we have the artist fans who really respect good music, so regardless whether or not 4th Gen fans want to step aside or not. And I really my Well, I say, I know my part to tell you what to do. I can't tell somebody what to do, you know. You see me, you have to decide that for your own. Who really love music, man, we support the things they do. Because we ain't no joke artists and play artists. You know what I tell you? So who really support music and love good music. And we the movement same way. You see me, I tell you. Wrap it up.